Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look. Today is number 3 of the challenge that I'm doing. I'm not really a fan of glitter. I decided to challenge myself. So I'll be doing 5 days of glitter, 5 different glitter, 5 different looks, and we'll see how that turned out. So today is number 3 and I created this look. So if you want to see how I created this look and how I struggled and pushed through to create this look, please stay tuned to see how I did that. So I'm going to be using this palette, and the first color I'm going to be dipping into is this color right here, and it is called Fearless. That's my first transition color that I'm going to be going into. Now I'm going to place this right on my crease, and I'm going to blend in a circular motion. You want to blend until you feel like it's good enough. Now, one thing I found out about this pigment is that it get lost, so I'm kind of not excited about this palette anymore. So after I feel like that is blended out enough, I'm gonna go ahead and take this straight is a straight blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in this. It's a black color. It's called Nightlife, and I'm also gonna mix it with this wavy brown color called Outspoken, and I'm gonna place this directly on my crease, but a little bit lower than the first transition color. I'm gonna be making a I'm gonna be blending out in like a wing-like motion. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put that right in the middle, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. And I'm going to be blending it out. Instead of blending it in, I'm going to be blending it out. And see if you're making a wing. Okay, now after this hot mess, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ruby Kisses concealer. This is the 3D face creator. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to cut my crease. So I'm gonna take the lighter part of it. Take your time. See how like where my eye socket is like right there? That's where my highest point will be. So now I'm going to go back and kind of blend out my crease a little bit, especially where the concealer traveled to with no invites. Now, because of we're doing the 5 days of glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and use this glitter. It's a ucanbe glitter. I did a review on it, so make sure you check it out. I'm gonna leave the card right here, so you know you can just hit that button. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this glitter all over my lid. This is a gold glitter, and it's in number 3. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this black liquid liner. It's from Nicka K. I'm gonna apply this all like as I'm gonna make a wing with this. And also I would suggest you get a little wet napkin so you can remove the glitter. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take this turquoise light blue glitter liner, and I'm gonna apply this on the first part of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this blue liquid liner. I'm gonna place this on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm actually gonna apply this purple. It's a purple eyeliner. I don't know. I'm gonna apply that on my bottom lash line, and I also applied a white. Pencil on my eyes. Beauty Benefits mascara. Be using this Profusion contour brush, and I'm gonna be going in with my Nika K Duo contour powder, and I'm gonna chisel out my cheekbone. This Black Radiance blush, and this is in Toasted Almond. I really love this blush, and I'm going to be using this brush that I got from eBay. Do is go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna be using this Cleanse Color setting spray to set my spray. I really love this spray. It is awesome. Ash brown. So while my face is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this ash brown eyebrow pencil. It's sent from Profusion Cosmetics. So I'm gonna use it as my lip liner. So after that, I'm gonna go in with this lip color. Is the Pop Fill Matte Lip Cream. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this Profusion palette. Is the Glow Strobe and Glow palette. And ooh, if I can open it. Oh, okay, here we go. It looks so beautiful. Like, I really love this palette. So I'm going to go in with this huge ass fan brush. And I think I'm going to use Sugar Cream today. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the struggle. This is what I achieved. Yeah, so this is the finished look.